Shong at Subaru Puyallup. I'm part of the internet sales team, and I'm here to showcase the all-new 2023 Crosstrek Sport model. This vehicle has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder boxer engine, has up to 182 horsepower. You'll have the standard Eyesight driver assist system, and also gets up to 29 miles per gallon. This Crosstrek Sport is equipped with the fog lights. You'll also have the 17-inch alloy wheels with the all-season tires. And what sets it apart is the gray side mirrors, integrated turn signals, and this one also has an optional package, which includes the blind spot detection, the power moonroof, rear cross traffic alert, and the 8-inch multimedia plus screen. This vehicle also has the standard rear vision camera and the cargo space. Let's get into it. With the seats folded up, you have 20.8 cubic feet and a maximum cargo capacity of 55.3 cubic feet. And let's not forget to mention 1,500 tow capacity. As you get into the interior, you'll see it has the gray StarTech upholstery with the yellow accent stitching. You'll also get the 8-inch multimedia plus screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, heated front seats. You'll also have your X mode, cruise control, which is adaptive, which is also a part of your Eyesight system, and much, much more. So there you have it. We have completed a quick walk around of the all-new 2023 Sport Edition. So for more details, feel free to visit us at Subaru12.com or here at 720 River Road. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. See you later.